How to sort videos by popular on TikTok. Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. In this video, I will guide you on how you can sort videos by popular on TikTok, so make sure to watch the video till the end. If you want to sort videos by popular on TikTok, all you have to do is go ahead and first of all, make sure to launch the TikTok application here. Once you launch the TikTok app, you will see this type of interface. So let's say you go to someone's profile page, or maybe you just come to your own profile page. By default, you should be able to see a list of those videos that person has posted based on the date, which means by recent. But you want to sort them by the most popular, just like you can on YouTube. Now for that also, it's very simple. If you look above this post tab here, you can see the little icon which has a drop down icon right next to it, and when you tap on it, you can see latest and you can see popular. So now when you tap the popular tab, it will show you the videos based on those popularities. So right here you should be able to see different sort of videos over here. This way you should be able to go ahead and sort videos based on popularity on TikTok. Hope this video was very helpful. If you have got any questions, feel free to leave them down below. Thank you for watching till the end of this tutorial, and see you soon in the next video.